Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free marks in paper 1 mathematics exam. So this question is one of the questions which can help you get free marks. So what does the question says? So the question says the diagram shows a sector POQ at PQ subtends an angle of 45 degrees at the center. Given that the area of POQ is 77 centimeters squared, calculate the radius of the sector. So how do we calculate the radius of the sector? So basically the radius of a sector is the same as the area of what? A circle. But here the only difference is that this is not a what? A full circle. So meaning we have to cut the circle in half. So the formula we use is area is equals to theta over 360 pi r squared. So most of you know this part, pi r squared. You know that this is the formula for an area of a circle. But since this sector is half of the circle, so meaning we are going to pick the angle here. That's the angle which will be here. Yeah. So our area we have been given to be 77. So we say 77 should be equal to our angle which we have been given is 45 over 360. Then we have our pi to be 22 over 7 multiplied by what? R squared. So the first thing you need to do in math paper 1, remember you are not using calculators. So meaning don't multiply everything directly. Don't. Step 1, you need to be what? You need to be taking it step by step. For example, we know that 2 can go into what? Into 22. And also 2 can go into what? 36. So meaning here you say 2 into 22, we have 11. 2 into 36, we have what? 18. Yeah. So meaning we have reduced the what? The numbers. Then next you say, oh, 5 can go in 45 and also in what? In 180. So here again you can what? Simplify. So here in math paper 1, don't multiply. You have to be simplifying the numbers. Yeah. So you say 5 can go into 18. How many times? How many times can 5 go into 18? So you say 3. So 5 into 18 is 3 remainder 3. 15, 16, 17, yeah. 3 remainder 3. Then 5 into 45 we have 9. If I'm not mistaken, yeah. 5 into 45 we have 9. Yes. Then here you say 5 into 30 is what? Sorry, 5 into 18 we have 3 remainder 3. 5 into 30 we have 6. Yeah. So we have 9 over 36, which again 9 can go into what? 36. Yeah. How many times can 9 go into 36? So 9 can go into 36 4 times. So you say 9 here is 1. 9 into 36 we have 4. Yeah. So basically we have simplified our equation. Now we have 77 is equals to 1 over 4 multiplied by 11 over 7 times the r squared. So here now you can multiply what is on top for us to have 11 over, again do not multiply what's down, just write 4 times 7, here is r squared, then here you get 77. Again now here you close multiply, so you have 4 times 7 times 77 should be equal to 11r squared. Then you divide by 11, then our r squared is equal to, again here you have to simplify. So what numbers can be simplified? So 11 into 11, that's 1. Then 11 into 77, that's 7. Yeah. So now here you can multiply. Yeah. But there's another way where you can't multiply but go direct. So we have what? 4 times 7. This is the trick which you need to use. So remember, we have how many sevens? We have 2 sevens. And our next step is to find what? The square root. Yeah. So instead of you multiplying 7 times 7, 49, 49 times 4, getting a higher number, you can just do this. Okay, since this is multiplication, so multiplication, the way it works, you can find individual square roots. Yeah, remember this point. In what? In multiplication, you can find individual square root. What do I mean? So you can multiply just 7 times 7, we have what? 7 times 7, we have 14. Yeah, so I'll write it here. Yeah, so we have r squared is equals to 4 times 49. Yeah, now I told you, you can find the individual square root in what? In multiplication, only in multiplication, not addition, and only in multiplication. So you say the square root of r squared is equals to the square root of 4 times the square root of 49, because you can find the square root of both. What is the square root of 4? We have 2 times what is the square root of 49? 7. Then you multiply. 7 times 2, we have 14 centimeters as our radius. So this is how this question is simple. I'm repeating myself. Do not multiply. Always simplify. So here examiners, they bring numbers which can be simplified. So use that to your advantage. So don't forget to subscribe, comment for part 2 and more videos, and also share to your friends.